Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove user accounts from Microsoft Surface Pro X. And to do this we'll need to click and open a start. Here navigate to the settings, locate the accounts. Inside you should see family and other users. Now you can use the family account or other account. Let's add the other one. Let's say that we don't have a person sign-in information as we want to create a new account. And we don't want to use a Microsoft account to go with it. So who's going to use this PC? Here enter their name. You can enter a password if you want for the account and go to the next step. Here the account should be created, and if you want to remove it, click on the arrow and click account and data, remove. Delete account and data, and it should be removed from your Microsoft tablet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.